within a minute, I will take 25 mm as a side. Always I taken 30. Now I will take 25 mm as a side. Whatever it may be side length, take that as radius and then draw a circle. The circle should be as light as possible. Circle should be as light as possible. Okay. I will draw one more circle because again I have to do all those things. Instead of that, we will wind up. I draw this circle. Okay. Listen carefully. Tell me. I want to bisect this circle. Tell me whether you want to bisect vertically or horizontally. As per your wish. First circle I want to bisect. Bisect means
Horizontal.
bisect means
Dividing.
horizontal.
Divide into two equal parts.
Dividing into two equal parts. Look how much time you people will take. See, I bisected. That bisection line will touch the circle at two extreme ends. Getting my point? It is touching two extreme ends. Do one thing. Same radius, what circle drawn, cut up, cut down. Same radius from this other side, cut up, cut down. See, this is your required hexagon, Amma. From that point, join first cutting. From this, join this, join this, means first time see, this is your regular hexagon A, B, C, D, E, F. Its internal angle you can write anywhere 120 degree only once. Its side is I taken 25 mm. These things you have to write. You observed every time I am writing once side length and this. Now here I taken horizontally, here I want to take vertically. There is some intention. I will tell what is that intention. Here I want to take same line vertically. Once I take vertically, again it is touching 2 points of the circle. Once it touch 2 points of the circle, see from this side, right, cut same radius, whatever it may be, circle withdrawn, same radius, cut down left as well as right. And wherever it cuts, join them. The points has to be joined. Means we can construct circle is only supporting entity. Circle is not measure. We used circle to construct hexagon. See, you can name A, B, C, D, E, F. You can draw one angle 120 degree. You can represent one of its side. $25. Now I want to know, I drawn two hexagon. Can anyone tell me what is the difference? If I bisect that circle horizontally, anything happened? If bisected vertically, what is happening? Any changes you can observe? Any response, Amma? I am talking to you people. Yes. Anything you observe?
It is just rotated, sir.
Yes, Amma? It is.
Rotated.
Anything else? Anything else? Listen. Whenever I explained what I told, triangle is having 3 sides, 3 corner. Square is having 4 sides, 4 corner. Pentagon is having 5 sides, 5 corner. Hexagon is having 6 sides, 6 corner. Circle is having circle. Circle is having what happened? 0 sides, no
Zero
sides.
side,
Yes,
zero corner.
Aditya. No sides, no corner. Question లేదు. So circle always, if anyone asks, no side, no corner. Very good. Why I am talking about side and corners? Always remember, Amma, how the object is kept is important. Object may be, you see, this is triangular object. Unda, kanpadtunda. If I kept with respect to this, object is lying with respect to, what is this? What is this?
Base.
What is this?
Base.
Think, Amma. Only I am talking, whether you all are interested, then only I will ask counter question. Otherwise, I will stop asking questions. If your response is not positive, I will go for again passive learning method. Simply, I will go on teaching. Whether you understand or not understand, none of my business. If this is the attitude, I will change my attitude. You all are getting my point?
Yes, sir.
Then whether you want active class or whether you want only, you want to note down the things. And then where is the question of activeness? Only I should be active, you should be sleeping mode. You people decide. Afterwards, I won't answer anything. Simply, I will go on teaching. I will tell my concept. I will wind up. If you want that method, you adopt that. Don't. So whenever I am talking, listen my statement very carefully. One thing I want to tell today, whether you want to note down, if you fail in this subject will for you with you for 3 to 4 times. You cannot clear until 3 to 4 attempts you attempt. One thing, be careful, Amma. Subject is very simple and sober. Once it understand. Afterwards, so many students are roaming in and around us. Sir, please guide us, sir, how to pass this exam. If you want to follow their path, it is left to you people. So you decide whether you want to follow this group, whether you are, and this is 100 out of 100 scoring subject. I can give assurance that you can score 100 out of 100. Means extreme condition, it follows extreme condition. Upper layer as well as bottom layer. Extreme condition you may fail. Extreme condition you may get score of above 90 plus or 100. But it needs practice. Without practice, this subject cannot be cleared. Without understanding the, if you draw something, you may not feel that I will get marks. If it follows under certain rules and regulations, then only we will award. Otherwise, two extreme condition, full marks or zero, only two extreme. So be careful regarding this, you will come to know. Tell me what I am talking. Triangle, three sides, three corner. I'm only talking about side and corner. Don't talk anything unwanted things. Square, four sides, four corner. Pentagon, five sides, five corner. Hexagon, six sides, six corner. AB is a side, BC is a side, CD is a side, DE, EF, FA. Corners A, B, C, D, E, F, all are corners. Now tell me, this is triangle. This is, what is this?
Side.
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 Finish. Wait. If I kept the object with respect to this, it called object is resting on side. Object is resting on side. If same object I kept with corner, see that, kept with corner. Now object is resting with side, corner. Jagratamam. Here two scenarios I told. A and B are corner. One more thing I want to tell. In triangle, side opposite is corner. Opposite is corner. Always remember, in triangle, side opposite. In square,
Opposite side.
side opposite side. This is side opposite side. Here side opposite corner. In pentagon,
Side opposite corner.
pentagon. In front of you, pentagon. Side opposite corner. Jagratam. Hexagon. Side opposite side. Means two elements are belongs to side opposite side. But in hexagon, corner opposite corner. You see, corner opposite is also corner. Means here, when you draw horizontally, object is rest. First point we will start from here. The point which is lying is corner. So object is lying on corner. Then you have to draw with respect to horizontal line. If object is resting on side, you have to bisect circle vertically. Jagratam. Because on these two issues only, all 5 units are depends. Got it my point? Here object is resting on corner and here object is resting on side. Note down these two figures. But draw circle as light as possible. The intention is that circle is not an object. Hexagon is an object. But we used circle as a tool to construct hexagon. That's why dark should be hexagon only. This line should be as light as possible. If it is finished, let me know. Draw both figures. Finished, Amma?
No, sir.
Finished or not?
Finished, sir.
Yes, Amma, finished. Okay. Until here, you have to draw figures in sheet number 2. Finished. Here, I won't tell how to which figures you have to draw front, back, because you have less number of figures. You can draw wherever you have space. So nothing, but condition is that all things should be there. Divide a line into different, divide a line into number of parts, divide a circle into 12 equal parts, both protractor method, compass method, then construction of polygon. In that, triangle, square, pentagon by method 1, hexagon by method 2, octagon by method 3, and then these two figures. General method, these two figures, hexagon by general methods. These many things I want in your drawing sheet.
Sir,
Or
we should write even headings also.
no need, Amma, no need. I want only figures, Amma. Now onwards, I won't ask anything. I will tell what things you have to write. No need to write question, no need to write anything. Only here you can write pentagon. Enough. Hexagon, that much. No
Sir,
need to
main
write.
heading then
Main heading also not required, Amma. What is that construction of
geometrical construction.
construction not required, Amma. Looking into that figure only, we will come to know. If you have time, you have patience, you can do it. But I won't give any importance to that. I will give importance to figures. Figure should be regular form. That is must. Okay, shall I move? Shall I
Yes,
move to next? Right. Listen now carefully. Until now, whatever it may be things I taught, all are 1 marks question. But without knowing those things, you cannot construct. Now I am moving towards 5B8, 5B1, 4A1, 5B4. Okay. Next topic, engineering curves. Now I am dealing with 10 marks questions. Until now I dealt with only 1 marks questions, but now I am dealing with 10 marks questions. Engineering curves. What do you mean by curve, Amma? Already I told what is engineering. What do you mean by curve? What do you mean by curve?
Bending line.
Okay. Can you draw on graphs, Amma? Can you draw on graphs? Yes or no?
Sir.
You draw on graphs? Sir? Okay. I will ask 1 minute. This pencil got. You draw on graph.
Yes, sir.
Very good. You take an x-axis, y-axis, right? Can you draw curve by point?
No, sir.
Why? Can you draw
In-
curve 2 points?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Can you name that curve?
Line. Parabola.
Anyone? Normally, when we construct curve by 2 points is called
Line.
is called linear curve is called?
Linear.
Okay. Can we draw curve by 3 points?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
4 points?
Yes, sir.
5 points?
Yes, sir.
Oh, very good, very good. While increasing the points, what is happening? You see, initially 1 point, I may not draw curve. 2, it is a linear segment. 3, we can draw curve. 4, 5. If you increase, what will happen? Think, I have so many counter questions. Intentionally, I drawn all differently. Now,
Bending of the curve increases.
yes, Amma, what will increases?
Curve bend will increase.
Curve bend increases. Okay, can you give it in technical way? What you talked is correct. Otherwise, I will give 1 minute time. I will ask one more question. Can we solve a square plus b square minus 2c square is equal to 0? Can I evaluate a is equal to b is equal to c? Can I solve this equation?
No,
Can I?
sir.
Why? Why? Why I can't solve this?
Only one equation.
Only
One equation.
one equation means I can't solve.
Three different variables.
Okay, I will agree. Then my question is correct or wrong? My question is correct or wrong? Yes, I'm talking to you people. I'm not talking to someone else.
Sir, repeat once again.
Can we solve this equation with ABC?
If we know the values of ABC, we can solve, sir.
I don't have any values. I have this equation. I want to know ABC.
We
Finish.
can try
Sir, but error.
by
Trial and error method we can
Substitution,
find.
trial and error method we can do. Sir.
No trial, no error. Whether I can solve or not. Only two
No,
questions.
sir.
No, sir.
No. Why?
We don't know those
We
values.
don't know the values, sir.
Then, first of all, very good. Your answers are there, but not answers are so smart. Sir, there is a one equation we cannot solve ABC because 3 unknown parameters. How many unknown parameters?
3.
How many? Three. How many equations?
One.
I need another 2 equations. I need another 2 equations to resolve. Always remember, how many unknown parameters, those many minimum equations are required to resolve. Okay. Now, can you heard the degree of freedom?
Yes, sir.
What is degree of freedom? Yes, sir. Ante అయిపోతుందా? Okay. Can you heard polynomial equations?
Yes, sir.
What is that?
Quadratic equations, cubic equations.
I know that quadratic equation, cubic equations, all those things. What exactly you will learn from that?
It has how many degree? It has a solution.
मैं ఎప్పుడు డిగ్రీ అడిగాను ఏం చెప్పలేదు అప్పుడు పాలినామియల్ ఈక్వేషన్స్ వెళ్ళాను. Okay. You are thinking that no, I am giving clue. I want to get answer from any one source. I talked this. Here I not got answer. Because I want to explain this but I need input from you. You studied matrix? You studied matrix?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Can you tell
Yes,
me?
sir.
I wrote matrix. What I wrote?
Order of matrix.
Order of matrix. What are the orders I wrote?
2 by 2, 3 by
Same.
3, 4 by
3, 4 by 4.
Which one is simple? Which one is tough?
2 by 2 simple.
simple, 6
2 by
by
2
6.
is
tough.
easy. 6 by 6 is tough.
Why it is simple? I wrote order. Why it is simple?
Less number of.
Less number of.
Rows and columns. Elements.
That's why it is simple. Huh?
We
That's
can
why-
solve easily
We
2 by
can
2 for
solve.
6.
Very good, very good, very good. What about 6 by 6?
Calculations is
We need to do
Can-
more calculations.
More calculation. Okay. Which one is good? This is good or this is good?
2 by 2.
2 by 2.
Oh, 2 by 2, 3 by 3 is good, and 4 by 2, 4. Okay. I will give you. You have 100 marks exam. Okay. I will give 50 marks for those who are doing here. Those who are doing here, I will give 80. Which one is good?
Down 1.
80.
4 by 4 and 6.
And sometimes you are telling upper one is good. Now you are telling lower one is good. Are you have to stick on to one policy, na?
More marks.
More marks. Nick, you want something benefit, you will want more marks, but less work. Less work, more marks. How it is possible, Amma? How it is possible? You see that when you want to score 100 out of 100, you have to dedicate, you have to involve in that subject. If you partially involve, you will get 50. If you involve somewhat good, you will get 80. But if you involve 100%, you will get 100 marks. It depends upon dedication, involvement, hard work, all those things, punctuality, sincerity, honesty, all those things I will add. Now, here, what is happening, Amma? This is 3 curve. This is 4 curve. I intentionally drawn so many. Single point, no curve. 2 points, 3, 4, 5. What is happening? What exactly our intention? If you increase the number of points, what will happen? What will happen?
It bends.
What will happen? Instead of 1, you go on 2. Instead of 2, you go on 4. Instead of 4, you go on for 5. If you increase, what you have to do? What you have to do?
It is changing from linear to curve.
Okay, linear to curve, we already crossed 3 to 4, 4 to 5. You are goes on increasing. Okay, I will give one more example. We will conduct 100-meter race. We will conduct 100-meter race. I will ask you to find who is the first, second, third. There are 10 participants. How we will do it? We will conduct 100-meter race in our college, and I will ask you to select winner, runner, runner-up. How we will do it?
Who will come
Based
first?
on
Who will
times.
come first?
Oh, time, how we will note down, Amma? First, there
Stop.
is no problem. Second,
The person say who will come second.
how you will
Who
come?
will come fast.
There is a controversy. So many students are telling, no, I came second. How you will justify? How you will justify? How you will justify? Okay. You have 4-digit calculator, 8-digit, 12-digit, 16-digit. Yes or no? Calculator.
Yes, sir.
What is
Yes,
what is the
sir.
purpose? What is the purpose, Amma?
To get more
To
decimal
get the
values.
accuracy.
To get more.
Accuracy.
You told correct
Exact answer.
How we will justify accuracy?
By more decimal points.
More decimal
Decimal
point.
point.
After zero, how many decimal points we have, that much accuracy level. Always we will say 99.999999. Arey, what is this? It will go nearest to 100. Always Jagrata Mamma. So here also what basically my intention is that nowadays you see in Olympics, here I talked about the event we want to conduct in college. But same event if conducts in Olympics, what will happen, Amma? Whether there is a controversy?
No,
Whether
sir.
no, there is no controversy at all. You see, if somebody completed race in 9.3260, the other person got 3.3313, fourth person got 4317. See, what is how with respect to fraction of second, with respect to fraction of decimal points, we can find winner, runner, runner up. So what I want to tell, whenever you increase the number of points, accuracy level will goes on increasing. Accuracy level will goes on increases, but you have to do more number of calculation. You have to do more number of iteration. Can you heard the name of iteration? Can you heard the name of iteration? Iteration, Amma. Vinnara leda.
Yes, sir.
Ah, what is the meaning? What is the meaning?
Repeating.
Repeating, Amma, very simple. Arey, we are engineers, are very complex people. We will give some technical name and we will feel that we are doing something. Nothing, Amma. Simple word is repetition. Same work we will repeat several times until we get optimistic result. Until we get optimistic results. Understand? So degree of freedom is a flexibility to draw the nature of curve. It should be our target is we want to draw smooth curve. We want to draw what we want to draw?
Smooth curve.
Smooth curves.
Car chooser. Car. Anyone observed car? Anyone observed
sir.
car? Ah, what is the delicate thing, Amma? Delicate thing is its aerodynamic shape. Delicate thing is its
Aerodynamics.
aerodynamic. It should have minimum wind resistance, and that will be done by the curves. These all are called curves, Amma. Jagratam, Amma. These things has to be taken. Okay. That's why we will study the curves. Now, types of curves. Types of curves. I will take attendance. Wait for a while. Anytime this thing wind up. Right. After that, again, you have to join. Now, types of curve. First, conic section. Second, cycloidal curve. Third, involutes. Fourth, evolutes. Fifth, spirals. Sixth, helix. Note down these all 6 types of curves. Conic section. If you don't know spelling, I will tell. Conic, C-O-N-I-C. Conic. You want section spelling? Shall I tell section spelling or no need?
No need, sir.
On it, sir.
Okay. Cycloidal curve. C-Y-C-L-O-I-D-A-L. Cycloidal curve. Third one, involutes. I-N-V-O-L-U-T-E-S. Involutes. Fourth, evolutes. E-V-O-L-U-T-E-S. Evolutes. Spirals. S-P-I-R-A-L-S. Spirals. Last one, helix. H-E-L-I-X. Helix. These are the 6 varieties of curves we have in nature. Any doubts?
No, sir.